How to create shapes in Photoshop. If you're new to Photoshop and want to learn how to create clean, perfect shapes, this quick guide will help you get started easily. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new file. Once your workspace is ready, go to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool or any shape tool you want, like a rectangle, triangle, or polygon. You can also press the shortcut key U to switch between all shape tools. Whichever shape tool you choose will become active. Now click and drag on your canvas to draw the shape. If you hold the Shift key while drawing, the shape will stay perfectly proportional, like a perfect circle or a perfect square. Once your shape is drawn, you can change its fill color by clicking on the Fill option and selecting any color you want. If you want to add or modify a stroke, the border around the shape, you can do that too. Adjust the color, change the thickness, or even remove the stroke entirely. You can also open the Properties panel to control more settings like color, stroke style, roundness, and other shape options to customize everything the way you like. And that's it. Making shapes in Photoshop is simple once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop lessons. Thanks for watching.